Hello everybody. Today I've got a less common lock for you. It's an American barrel and it's actually a dead cylinder. It's kind of like picking the lottos, the 410 lottos. Sometimes it's a quick easy one, sometimes it's not, but let's see if we can get her open real quick for you. At least an attempt anyway. I've got the Covert Instruments number 40 tensioner, part of their Reaper set. And I've got a gem pick that I'm going to work on it with. See how we go. This one might be a little tall for this. Oop, there we go, we got it into a false set already. A couple of times I've picked this, I've actually used two tensioners, almost treating it like a gin spools, just to get the rotation back far enough, but I did it with this gem pick too, without it, so I'm trying to see if I can do it again. Of course, you know how that stuff works, when way better when you're not on camera. That's right. There it goes. Okay, so that's spool set. Okay, that's spool set. I believe I'm on number third pin right here. That might be what's holding this up. There it is. Of course, more times than not, I'll pick it, tensioner, release, drop the tensioner, ta-da. But unlock, if you can find them, they're not as common, like I said. But super cool. Nice piece for my collection. And thank you for watching, everybody. Appreciate it.